Getting to our weather now with a live look outside this morning. Brian is standing by. It is very dark out there. I'm not sure what that view is. It's not Winston-Salem. Where is that camera?
That's Greensboro. That's Wendover Avenue downtown. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Sure. Yeah, tough to see out there too. We got a little fog that may be trying to develop here for a while. Cloud cover is still heavy enough where it shouldn't be a major issue, but it is thick with water out there. Very warm and humid conditions expected today. Atmosphere is water loaded. What's been absent the last few days is a front to help squeeze it all away, and the prevailing winds have been off the ocean and off the Gulf, and so it's just really loading up the atmosphere with moisture. It brings fog in the morning, damp conditions overall, partly sunny skies when the sun breaks free, really heats up that water, which makes the air unstable and creates numerous afternoon and evening showers and storms. And we're at the point now where it doesn't take as much rain to cause flooding because we've just had a ton. This is what radar looked like for much of the day yesterday. Scattered showers and storms were coming through, good numbers, but they are hit or miss. Not everyone gets the rain when it comes in, and yesterday it tended to favor the northern half of the area north of I-40. This is just 24 hours, mostly Sunday rainfall. You get into the brighter greens and the yellows and you're looking at 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals. But if you add Saturday's rainfall to that, check out a couple of areas across our northern areas. Northern Guilford County, north side of Greensboro especially, you're looking at 6, 8, 9 inches of rain at Doppler radar estimated. Sometimes these totals get bigger than that. I wouldn't be surprised if there were some double-digit rainfall totals in there. Northern Guilford County and Alamance, southern Caswell County estimate 5, 6 inches of rain there, and even some heavy totals over Stokes County going back to the weekend. You can see there's still unsettled weather around. It's warm and steamy. A couple of showers across our western counties first thing this morning. Really a kind of a stubborn pattern. Moisture being fed in and along a boundary, helping to bring some rain, has raised the chance that we could see some flooding across much of the Carolinas and mid-Atlantic and back into the mid-southern states. The Weather Prediction Center has put us under a level 2 or a slight risk for flooding, especially in those areas that got tons of rain over the weekend. Flood watches have been posted through late tonight. The start and expiration times vary, but it's for most of the day until late this evening at least into the early overnight hours. And we could see some decent rainfall from the storms that come in. We also have a chance that tomorrow we could see a few strong storms in our Virginia counties, but let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. So in the early part of the day, we'll get some sun out. Could raise the chance for a spotty shower here and there, but coverage is pretty low early on. Storm chances really start to increase once temperatures spike, getting back into the low to mid 80s for most of the afternoon. I've got a forecast high of 84 degrees mid-afternoon today. Lower 80s also for the foothills. Light winds, not much of a breeze to offer up much heat relief. The heat index will once again be close to 90 again, and good storm coverage expected mid-afternoon to the early part of the evening hours before it starts to taper. And even later tonight, the rain chances remain pretty high. Chance for scattered showers and storms. We've had a couple of nights where the thunder just kind of kept rolling along from some of the thunderstorms. Good coverage in the hour-by-hour forecast. Warm and steamy conditions. The warmer it gets, the better coverage we're going to see. Things taper some during the evening hours, and overnight the rain chance will continue. I don't think coverage is as high tomorrow. We could see a few strong storms north and west. But again, another rainfall totals could be substantial yet again. Temperatures really heat up this week, and even though we have a front that's going to start to bring down our rain chances on Thursday, slightly less humid for the end of the week, but we've got some days where the temperatures will be warm enough to even touch 90 degrees for the first time this year.